We're unboxing a bigger box today. We have... It looks like more than one bag in there. It looks like 10 bags. Is that from the store?
LA style.
That's a store?
Yeah.
I've never heard of this one before.
No, stop. You're wrong.
Got it, like it, tag it. Okay. We have our first one is it's so pretty.
Part of the castle series.
I like this one because you have her in the front. Let's go see. Look, it's Mrs. Potts. Ooh, it's the stained glass one. Ooh, and it has the side pockets. It has nice front pockets. Let's see the lining inside. Oh, it's a pretty lining. Star. Let's see if it has an inside pocket.
Kind of.
Yeah, so it has like the, not the zippered one, but it has a pocket inside on this side. It's still pretty. Next one looks like there's a couple in there, huh? So this one, it looks like Pocahontas. Purple. It must have been a big sale, huh?
It was. It was already in sale, and then they had like additional.
So there's Pocahontas.
20%.
Nice big pocket in the front.
That's so cute.
Ooh, colors of the wind.
Mommy, look downstairs.
I think it has the same pocket, probably, huh? The Boba Fett. Oh, it's the same pocket inside. So like not the zipper one, but the pocket.
Okay, hold on.
And then it has the side pockets. And then the back. It's just, oh, it has this in the back. It says, just around the riverbed. Ooh, okay. And then the next one is a Star Wars one.
She's not going with me.
Ooh.
She just said no.
Oh, look, she's going.
Ooh.
Are you going with me?
Ooh, look at that cute front pocket.
No, with me.
Oh,
it's so cute.
It's like a forest, and it has the same pocket. So I guess like the store usually has like the same inside part.
No.
No?
No.
Just depends on the back.
Yeah, because I think it was just part of that.
The sale?
It's not like.
Is it exclusive to
No,
them?
it's not.
Oh, maybe that's their new thing, huh? Not having zipper.
Oh, cute.
It says
Yum
Yum
yum.
Okay, it's for 8 years old or older.
I saw that too. They all say
Okay, I think there's one more in there, right?
No, there's no more.
Oh, that's it? You got 3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought there was like 10 in there. So this is from today's unboxing.